Amul, ma'am.
Amul, okay.
Yes. Actually, I'm from India and I have settled in Dubai right now.
Yeah.
I was doing import export of fruits and vegetables. I'm having one of my company in Dubai.
Okay.
Now just I have entered in precious metals. I have also registered my company in Dubai. So actually, I'm not getting the genuine buyers. I went to Sierra Leone, but most of I seen the scammers there.
Okay.
So I was looking for the genuine sellers. I came across your video. So
can you open your camera? I want to see you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sure.
Okay. Okay, Amol, you're very young. You're very young.
Right now, I'm in India now.
Are you in India right now?
Right.
Okay. So what happened to your trip in Sierra Leone? Who invited you? Why did you travel alone? Did you you have been talking to a lot of sellers in Sierra Leone? Did you?
No, actually, I came with contact with Deputy Mine Minister, Mr. Umaru Napoleon.
Okay, and
he had a visit to India. So there was one consultancy from India. So on behalf of with that consultancy, I visited Sierra Leone. But actually, what they showed in India that will take you to gold mines and all those things. But when we visited Sierra Leone, it was just a bubble.
Why did you go to the mines? It's really rubble. The gold is already in the city, and the gold is already been refined from the dust gold to the rebar. You wouldn't get the bar in the mines because it's rubble. That's correct. So that was your bad experience, isn't it?
And actually, when we came across the export data of the Sierra Leone regarding gold, the data was totally horrible and it was unsatisfactory.
Right.
They showed us in India that we are able to export tons of gold every year. But when we came across the data, it was unbelievable.
Unbelievable. So
they exported some.
Yeah, go ahead.
They exported somewhat 130 kgs in 6 months.
Okay. Did the seller in Sierra Leone explain to you properly what necessary requirement, what the government rules and regulation, etc., etc.? Did your contact explain about it? What the rules and regulation, the taxes to be paid, etc., etc.? Did you encounter like that?
Yes, they actually custom tax is somewhat 1% in Sierra Leone, and freight and all charges is go up to 5%, 5 to 6%.
That's right. In total, it's 6% in total. Right.
Right.
Sometimes 6.5, but it depends on every year because the government has also changed or increased. That is an income of the government. That's they call that the government sales tax. Yeah.
Yes.
So your trip was really not good, eh?
I was searching for the Actually, I was searching for the sellers, and by the grace of God, I came across your video, and also I visited your Facebook link there.
Yeah.
I got your number from there.
So how many videos on my YouTube you've been watching, you've been reading? How many video?
Actually, I'm watching since 3 days. I came across from 3 days.
Yeah.
And I was watching multiple videos. I watched.
Okay.
I also watched that one person came across one buyer who wanted to buy for the bank.
Okay. Actually, to buy gold is really very strict because that is precious mineral you're buying. You're not buying banana.
Right.
Even banana, you have to pay for it. Banana is not a
Right.
bargain.
I have seen that many scammers are sitting in the international market.
Okay. Well, actually, the wording scammer is a liar or deceitful. They are deceiving you. The guy that you've been dealing in India, he deceive you. He take you to mines, lots of rubbles. That's what you're telling me. He deceive you. Yes. Or you have been disconnected. Anyway, you are in India. I will call you back. I will call you back. Okay? Because you have been talking to me on bottom. I thought you are in Dubai. I'll call you back. Okay. You have been disconnected, so I'm calling you. I thought you are in Dubai because you cannot call Dubai on WhatsApp. It's on bottom. So now you are in India. So going back to our conversation, you have been deceived by a person that you meet in India. So he is going. That's called scam, because the meaning of scam means he lied to you and he deceived you. So both buyers and sellers are deceiving each other. You have been the victim of deceiving. You've been the victim of deceitful. Okay. So now you registered your company in Dubai, is it?
Exactly, ma'am.
Okay. How many quantity you want to secure gold?
Actually, ma'am, we are planning to. Actually, I'm also having my investors, but initially for the trial basis, first in initial consignment, I would like to take off 1 kg. After that, gradually I will increase it to 25 kg every week.
That's the reason why you didn't get the gold, because we don't sell 1 kilo. We don't. There is a minimum.
Okay.
At least you secure 20 or 25 kilos. It's not worth it to travel. You did travel to Sierra Leone. You wasted time and money. We don't sell 1 kilo. I already mentioned that on my video. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. You're buying precious mineral. You're buying money. Gold is money.
Right.
So there is a minimum. It's not worth it for you to travel because you have to pay the ticket and the hotel accommodation. So when you travel and buy 1 kilo, it's not worth it.
No, just I wanted to take for trial consignment. So I wished that I will just for the first purpose, I will go for small quantity.
Yeah.
After that, every week I will do 25 kg every week.
Okay. So how serious you are? Be honest with me. I want to this is I'm interviewing you right now, live video call, okay? Be honest to me.
Yes, sir.
How much your investment, your capital, how much money available in your bank account? Just be honest with me so that I could help you.
I can buy 25 kg, ma'am.
So at the moment, how much is your money in your bank account standby?
Indian currency, if you tell, it's about 15 crores.
In US dollar?
Just let me calculate, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Just a second, I'll calculate.
You calculate that because we're dealing in US dollar, not rupee. Not rupee.
Yes, yes.
Selling price 8%, you must remember. Okay, the gold is the moment is down. Okay, I'm gonna have a look. Okay, 85,000. Today the gold price is 85,000. Less 8%. Okay, minus 85,000. $78,000 we're selling. You got me?
Yes, ma'am.
The price of gold today is 85, less 8%. is 78,200 on today's price. So tell me how much money available you have so that I can help you. You need to be honest with me, or else you wouldn't get the gold. Okay?
It's about 17,85,000 US dollars, ma'am.
How much?
17,85,000 US dollars.
17,000 or Sibia? You have
17, 1.7 million.
1.7 million. Okay. All right. So you are going to bring the gold in Dubai, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So show me your business registration. I want to see it first. Business registration, importation license, the proof of your passport, and the proof upon your bank statement. Okay? I will evaluate your credential. Now the price of gold today is 85,000 per kilo. Our selling price less 8% tax included, which is $78,000. 78,200 per kilo. Don't panic. I will give you a good price. Okay? I want to see first your business registration. I want to see first your importation license and the proof of fund. And you need to apply certificate of money laundering in Dubai. Okay? Because when you transfer payment from Dubai to Africa, Africa is a red flag of money laundering and gold laundering. So you need to apply in Dubai certificate of money laundering that your money is clean, so that you will not be questioned at the end of the day. So you asked in Dubai, because I learned this one from the buyer, that he registered his business in Dubai as well. And he is from United Kingdom. And he did apply certificate of money laundering in Dubai. So I want you to apply as well. Don't travel anymore without that. Okay? When you present to me the certificate of money laundering that your money is clean, is not involved on illegal activities, then I would believe you that you are serious buyer. Okay? So, don't rush, because you already spoken to me. You are qualified. You are qualified. You can get 20 kilos to start with. And then, you talk to Sky Cargo in Dubai. If you're going to Dubai, Sky Cargo is, they have an office in Conakry, Guinea. Conakry, Guinea and Dubai, direct flight. So if you're gonna be in Dubai, when are you going to Dubai? You're in India right now.
Yeah. I'm traveling on 25th of this.
December 25, you're going to Dubai, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Do your homework. Talk to Sky Cargo that you are buying gold in Conakry, Guinea. I will put you in Conakry, Guinea because Conakry and Dubai is direct flight, Emirates. Sky Cargo is Emirates, so they have a branch in Conakry. I would like to put you in Sierra Leone or Mali, but you need to stop over to airport. But I rather put you in Conakry because you don't need to stop over. The gold from Conakry straight to Dubai. Right. So you got me?
Right, ma'am, right.
Okay. So you send me a copy of your business registration. I will re-evaluate you, and then you will receive a confirmation that
Okay.
you're qualified to buy gold from us. You're qualified to buy 25 kilos, and I will give you 14% because I'm going to charge you my services. Did you not listen on my video?
Yeah.
When I accompany you, I do charge my travel cost. Did you not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What did the video say when you watched that video? Did you summarize the video that you've been watching? I want you to summarize me. What did you learn out of the video that you have been watching on my YouTube channel? Tell me.
Okay, actually, I will go in details with your videos now.
Okay.
Yeah. And maybe I will connect with you in the evening also.
Connect me in the evening. The time here, I'm busy in Australia. Okay. The time here is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. What time is it in India?
India, ma'am, it's 9:30 in the morning.
9:30 in the morning. So you're having breakfast. I just have my lunch. I open 7 days a week. I close midnight because you have a time difference. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So
You're now in Australia?
I'm busy in Australia. I live in Australia. I only travel to Africa to accompany you. So that you will not be scammed according to you. You went to Sierra Leone, you went to the mines and you saw rubbles. Yes? Correct.
Actually, I was planning in the next month to Uganda and Ghana.
Don't travel to Ghana, you're gonna fail again. You are going to fail. Because in Ghana, the government has changed. There's so many notorious sellers in Ghana. You travel to Sierra Leone, that is enough for you. That is a bad experience. So don't travel to Ghana unless you are certain. You got me? Travel to Conakry. Travel with Wilhelmina. Guaranteed you will get the gold. Okay? Oh, you were being disconnected again. Don't try, Amol, do not travel to Ghana. Do not. Because the seller doesn't care for you. He wouldn't. Instead, he's going to cheat you. He's going to cheat you or to scam you. Okay? You don't know how to handle international buyer. Now you convince me that you are a real buyer. Come to Conakry, Guinea. You're safe. I'm gonna be with you. Okay? Come to Conakry, Guinea Mall. You were being disconnected again. Anyway, just send me your business, a copy of your business registration. I want to see it. Then we can do business. We can go further. Okay? Our selling price is 78,200. The price of the world market today is 85. Less 8% is 78,200. So you were being disconnected again. So our selling price 78,200 today. But don't worry, you have not made this decision yet. So I will see if I could give you a fair price. You were disconnected amount, but anyway. All right. Sorry, I have spoken the buyer. He's a very young guy. He met the consultant in India. He was being encouraged to travel with the consultant. Okay, you were being disconnected, Amor. Amor, you were being disconnected.
Actually,
yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. When you have a free time, I want to see your business registration. Okay? Importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund. That you have $1.5 million or $1.7 million.
Okay.
You're qualified.
I need to.
You're qualified.
I need to From where I will get the import license, madam?
In Dubai. You have to apply in Dubai. That you are importing gold. You're importing precious mineral. Look at your business registration. Look at.
Okay, right.
Then review your business registration, because it says that you are allowed to import gold. What is the license name?
Right.
What is the license say? Are you importing precious mineral or what?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Precious metals and diamonds.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Precious metals, gold and diamonds.
All right, that's fine. So when you go to Dubai, you ask your bank manager how are you going to secure money laundering certificate. You need to have that.
Okay.
Don't trust. Don't travel to any country unless you have that.
Okay.
So that you will not stumble down. Okay? You have plenty time.
Okay.
January, we are now on Christmas. Everybody's busy. You might spend Christmas with your family. So let us start January 2025. I will give you a very good price. Okay? You must remember, I do charge my services to accompany you. Again, you have been disconnected. Amol, you have been disconnected. So let's begin on January. Let's begin to do the process.
Yes, ma'am, yes, sure.
January, first week of January. I want you to see.
Till then,
yeah, go ahead.
Till then, I shall complete all the required documentation.
You complete that certificate of money laundering. You complete that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? If you have that, you don't have any problem bringing precious mineral in Dubai. You don't have any problem at all. In Dubai, there are so many joker buyer. There are so many illegal as well. There are so many scammer in Dubai. So do your job properly, yeah?
The same thing I told you that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Many scammers are sitting in this international market, and so I want to secure from both the ends.
Well, you found Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is guiding you. Right. You found my video. My video is very clear. There is a date on my video. What's on my latest video date? December 17. Go on my YouTube channel. You listen that video December 16, December 15, and 17. Okay? Watch that video. I want you to listen that and read the full corporate offer properly. Then you come back to Wilhelmina. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, right.
Don't travel to anywhere in Africa unless you are well guided. I will guide you. You will get the gold. Okay?
Okay, right, ma'am, right.
But I do charge my services.
That's something connection.
Yeah, you watch my video so that you will understand. You go back and watch my YouTube channel, the latest video. Every video there is a date. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I think you're.
I'll go through the channel.
Yes.
Watch the video today.
Yep. Listen to that video.
And,
In fact, our conversation is live at the moment, so I will give you a copy of our conversation. Okay? I'll give you a copy so that the world understand that gold is not easy. Gold is not banana, even banana.
There is something.
Oh, you will hear our conversation. You will hear that. You will see that on my YouTube channel. I will guide you. Don't travel to Ghana, so that you will not be cheated again. You went to Sierra Leone. You have been cheated. You were not been assisted properly by a consultant from your country. So don't. Get back to Wilhelmina. I will guide you and I will travel with you. You will get the gold. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Right, ma'am. Right.
Nice talking to you. Okay. We'll catch up tonight if you want to talk to me.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your...
Yes.
Thanks a lot for your precious time.
If you want to ask more question, you can ring me tonight at any time. My office open 7 days a week. I'm here to answer your question. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Nice talking to you, Amal.
With you. Actually, there is something
Yes. If
there
there's
is something network issue here.
you can call me at any time. Yes.
Hear you properly.
Yes. You can call me anytime
Yes, ma'am.
tonight or whatever. Okay?
Right, ma'am. Right.
All right. Thank you very much, Amal. Kadin, bye.
Thank you.
Now, good afternoon. Today is December 18. The price of gold, it varies day to day. Ups and down, high and low. It doesn't matter if the price is down. Our selling price is still the same, less 8%. If the price goes up January to 2,800 per ounce, in dollar terms, 2,800 per ounce in dollars term, could be 90,000. Okay? 90,104. Could be, but don't bank on it. So the price, it varies day to day. So don't be panic, because time to time, I updated the price. The most important, you listen to this video that I have a conversation, an Indian young buyer. He went to Sierra Leone. He used a consultant person from India. That is business. He paid the consultant to travel with him in Sierra Leone. The consultant is not even a consultant. Why that consultant took him to the mines? And the buyer says, there is no gold. You can see the rubbles. Yes, it's true. You can only see the dust, the exhibit, the soil, and then you wash the soil to get the dust gold. Then when they gather dust gold, then that is the time they smelt into bar. That is a real thing. And then that bar, they have to bring it in the city. Exactly the same in Mali. They mine gold in Mali. Mali has tons of gold. It's already in Bamako. In Conakry, we have tons of gold already in the city of Conakry. Guinea is the country. The capital is Conakry, Guinea. Bamako, Mali is the city. Mali is the country. It's a huge. Africa is the main source of diamond and gold. Now, on my platform on Facebook, you can see available stock on diamond, available stock on gold. So don't worry if the price is up or down, it's still the same. Our selling price, less 8% tax included. We don't send sample. Gold is not for sample. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. It's not worth it for you to travel. There is a minimum. So if you buy 20 kilos or 50 kilos, yes, you make a profit. But 1 kilo, 2 kilos, you don't get profit. Why? You must remember your expenses. Your airline ticket, your hotel accommodation, that is also expenses. When I travel with you, you also pay my extra service. I'm the only person who put everything on the digital platform. You will never find a woman like this. Now, I just finished having a conference with a gentleman. He went to Sierra Leone. He was not being properly guided. He come back to India, failure. He paid his consultant guy from India. They traveled to Sierra Leone. What happened? Disaster. So any international buyer, if you watch this video, pay attention. click below subscribe on my YouTube channel. Read the full corporate offer thoroughly. That is the time you make your decision to come for conference. I don't urge you to talk to me. I don't pressure you. Just read the full corporate offer on this video. Listen to this video that I have a conversation with Amol. December 18, my video, there is a date. Even though the price is ups and down, the price changes every day, the procedure is still the same. You have to pay the gold. We don't bring the gold to any country without knowing who you are. Yeah? We don't smuggle the gold to any country. You need to pay attention because you cannot get this precious mineral without export documentation in your name. On diamond, exactly the same. You need to have a Kimberley certificate. It's called KPC. That the diamond is free of blood diamond. Now, I have available new stock on diamond. First come, first serve. Go on my platform on Facebook. Have a look. You don't need to say, Madam, what is the discount? We don't give discount on diamond. The diamond price per carat is 1,900 per carat. So you need to travel to inspect before you pay. Then that's the time we can negotiate the price. And Wilhelmina will not assist you until you convince that you are a buyer on diamond. Now, the gentleman that I have spoken is qualified because I interview him. I asked him how much available money he has. He's a very honest guy. Then I'm going to assist him. But one gentleman, he been talking to me for 7 years. He told me he was talking to me 7 years. But actually on my file, he was just talking to me 4 years ago. He was looking for diamond. He didn't get the diamond. He's always bargain. And he said he's a big company. And I told him, I don't believe that you're a big company. Because you've been talking to me for years and then you come back. You always ask bargain. I'm going to send him the video. Because if I mention his name, he might be embarrassed. I'm going to send this gentleman on diamond pretending to be a buyer. To me, he's a sophisticated fake buyer. To me, I'm going to send him the video message addressed to this gentleman. Because if I mention his name, he might be embarrassed. I saw his page. Oh, his website is irrelevant to me. That is called sophisticated buyers. You will be relevant to Wilhelmina when you show me your business registration, show me your passport copy, show me the proof of fund. Now that's this gold buyer, he told me that he has money. I believe him because I saw him on live video conference. But this gentleman buying diamond, if I mention his name, believe me, he would not like it. So don't muck around. This guy that looking to buy diamond, he been mucking around with me for 4 years. He told me he was talking to me for 7 years. Bloody hell, he's a liar. On my file, I look at it. He was talking to me 4 years ago. Been roaming around, sending his representative to Tanzania, to South Africa, to Angola. What happened? He didn't get the diamond. He come back to Wilhelmina. And then he bargain. You go to the fruit shop. Do you think you can bargain banana? Do you think you can bargain the avocado or mango? Whatever the price is the price. Buying gold and diamond, exactly the same. What the price is the price. Our selling price is tax included. This gentleman, that his office, his headquarters is in Spain, but originally he's also from India. And I told him, to me, you are just wasting my time. He's a sophisticated buyer, meaning to say he's full of bullshit. I will send him the voice message. I'm not going to mention his name until I'm going to piss off. Because he's been looking, and I told him, here's the diamond, new stock. You travel, then inspect, then we will throw the dice on the table, then you can negotiate. But I will not send you to the office unless you convince Wilhelmina. His website, to me, is not convincing enough. I want to see the buyer that he has a standby $1 million in his bank account. I want to see it. Bank statement. Okay? Without that, I wouldn't believe it. Now, this buyer that I just finished having a conference, he told me that he has standby money. I will help him to secure gold. I will guide him from the beginning to the end, because I'm charging my services of $20,000 to cover my expenses to accompany a real buyer. 2025, I wouldn't entertain any joker buyer. Okay? This is a reminder to everyone. Christmas is just around the corner. We are now on December 18. Next week, it's Christmas. Enjoy the festive season with your family. Wilhelmina is still open 7 days a week. When you call, when you inquire, you are very important. I treated you as a valued customer. But if you keep on bargain, I treated you as a scammer. So I'm sorry if I mentioned this, but this gentleman that I finished having a video call, he met the criteria. I will help him. I will take him to Conakry. I will guide him because he is paying my services. I will guide him from the beginning to the end so that he will get what he's looking for. Now, this gentleman that I just finished having a conference, he met the criteria. But I told him that when you return to Dubai, I want you to apply certificate of money laundering. That is now the new requirement when you purchase precious mineral in Africa, because Africa is a red flag of gold laundering and money laundering. This industry, there's a lot of illegal activities. You might encounter the criminal. You might encounter deceitful. Deceitful means scammer. You might encounter a lot of joker. In Dubai, there's a lot of joker buyer. You must remember, Dubai is a good country, but Dubai has been used to smuggle gold from Africa. So this video is for everyone. You watch this video, you listen to this woman. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. Do not say what is your name. Do not say hi, hello, because I'm going to turn you off. I'm going to delete you. Introduce your name properly, who you are. You've been watching my video. Did you gain the knowledge? Because knowledge is worth $1 million. I've given you my knowledge. I've given you my background again. I used to be in real estate. I'm already retired. I was the one who brought this to the world. I was the one who introduced this. A company from Africa saw my profile when I was on real estate. Here in Australia, when we sell property, you have to put your picture, property, location, location, location. Most of the buyer as well, on digital, on precious mineral, they are also hiding their faces. This gentleman that was talking to me for 4 years, they didn't even show his face until I requested him. I want to talk to you on live video call. He opened his camera. So this gentleman that I just finished having a conference, he met the criteria. And this gentleman that he wanted the diamond, I didn't believe that he met the criteria. He's been talking to me for 4 years. Until now, he's still, how much is the discount? You go to the fruit shop in your country. Go. Banana cannot be discounted. Whatever the price of the banana is the price. We are now inflation. You buy avocado, whatever the avocado price is the price. You buy vegetable, whatever the price per kilo, that is the price. And you're asking Mr. Buyer, whoever you are, I will not mention your name so that you will not be embarrassed. But I will send you a voice message. Diamond is not for bargain. There is a valued added tax on diamond. On gold, there is also valued added tax. However, I will help you to negotiate the price, but you are paying my services when I travel. I don't give you any more information. You read on my platform on Facebook, on Diamond, read the message, you comply it, then you submit that, then I will believe it, then we will travel together to inspect the diamond. Okay? If you don't comply that, don't waste my time. You are sophisticated liar buyer, if this is the case. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good afternoon. On behalf of my seller in Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone, and the Ford family here in Australia. Wilhelmina wishing you Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. January 2025 is the beginning. Now the price of gold is not fixed. Okay? So make a reservation now for 2025. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good afternoon.